President Trump's motorcade the middle finger salute, and her employer gave her the boot. You don't seem like the bird-flipping type to me.
I'm really not.
Marketing analyst Julie Briskman wasn't laughing back in October when the president's motorcade passed her on its way back to the White House from a golf outing.
I'm just angry. I'm lost my patience. I have my blood boils. My fingers said what I was feeling.
And then the motorcade slowed down and she caught up and did it again.
The photo went viral. Julie posted it on her social media accounts, and she decided she better tell her employer about it, a government contractor called Acima. The next day, she was fired. Her employer also used a finger to point to Section 4.3 of the company's social media policy.
They highlighted the whole section, but verbally they highlighted the word obscene. I said that this didn't happen on company time.
The company said,
"We're government contractors. We can't have somebody flipping off the president."
Now Julie's supporters are flipping off her former employer, bombarding the company's Facebook with a finger displayed by a gorilla, Homer Simpson, wind-up hands, even an umbrella. Acima didn't respond to CNN's requests for comment. Julie cites another company employee who was reprimanded but not fired after fighting on Facebook with liberals.
He said, "You're a libtard."
Julie is talking to lawyers. She's out of a job, but sympathizers online are saying, we'll hire her. Do you regret flipping the bird at the president?
No, he doesn't respect the office, so I don't respect him.
At least she's not claiming it's a case of mistaken identity.
Well, we actually got our hands on a photo of that woman from a different angle. Take a look at this. Yeah, it's very, very interesting.
Jeanne Moos, CNN, New York.
Ha ha ha.